Hi, I'm Dave from Potomac Photonics. I'm the Director of Quality Control here. We are ISO 1345 certified, and one of the most important things here at Potomac is quality control. We expect to have all our parts meeting customers' specifications, whether it's 1 micron tolerance or 50 micron tolerance. How do we do that? We have multiple Nikon microscopes, and we also have a automated microscope that helps us and allows us to do more parts faster, as well as give data to the customers. We also never stop trying to improve our processes, and we're always looking ways to improve the way we inspect our parts.